think they're back.
What's back?
Billbug.
Actually, it could be watering. Hey guys, Callie here with Zinc Services. If you're seeing dry patches in your lawn, there are some easy, quick tips and tricks that you can do on your own to assess the problem. To determine if you have billbug in your lawn, you can go up to that dry patch, give your grass a good tug. If it pulls up like your usual household rug or falls apart, then there is billbug activity. You can know this because billbug's food source is the roots of your lawn, and they will target that area, causing the lawn to die. If you can tug on that same spot of your lawn and the roots seem to be intact, then there is no billbug activity and instead is a much simpler solution. These types of dry spots are caused by inconsistent watering. Our first suggestion is that you turn on all of your sprinkler zones to determine if your sprinkler heads are broken or that your sprinklers are getting the proper watering coverage within your lawn. Another solution to fixing those dry spots may be your watering method. We typically recommend the deep watering guide, which is our 1-2-3-2-1 method. This method should allow for enough watering in those dry areas. Due to each and every lawn having a unique landscape, there may be many reasons to causing these many challenges. If you ask your technician when they're on your property, they can give you recommendations on how to fix this. Or give Zing a call today and schedule a free lawn analysis.